Many mid-market manufacturers recognize that Industry 4.0 will impact their manufacturing operations sometime in the future. But today, many still aren't sure exactly how or when this will occur. The good news is, manufacturers are already well prepared for this, as machines on the shop floor already include sensors that provide real-time data to floor managers and the operations team on performance levels. But how do you make sense of all this data? For starters, a manufacturer's ERP system must have the ability to collect, filter, and analyze data at critical points in the manufacturing process so that users can make better decisions based on insights from real data. This is why it's crucial to select an ERP solution capable of leveraging new technologies to bring information to those who need it, when they need it, and in a way that they can act upon immediately, anywhere. With these capabilities, the value to business comes from increasing the reach of ERP to every part of an organization, making it as usable on the shop floor as it is in the boardroom. The future may not be here, but it's coming, and manufacturers should move now to ensure their ERP platform is future-ready to adjust Industry 4.0 demands and support the industrial Internet of Things.